If you identify as an Uncle Tony's Garage Slant 6 cultist, then you're going to want to watch this video on this 1972 Plymouth Satellite 225 Slant 6, 3 on the tree. So this will be one of those dreaded will it run videos. The guy I bought this car from, he said he drove it into the yard, he parked it, and hasn't moved it since. Back in 2013, so this is the last time this car was on the street, was basically 10 years ago. And based on what we see inside the carburetor before we cleaned it up, it actually looks like it was in pretty good shape. Probably could have ran it the way it was, but it's all good now. We got new gaskets in there and everything. It's cleaned up. We're gonna squirt some fuel through the vent bowl right here. That's gonna fill up the bowl. I'm gonna run the fuel pump into a bucket so that any gas that gets pumped up here, hopefully it works and does pump gas, we'll pump it into a bucket so we don't run it through the engine. Before we do, let's check engine oil. And it's got some engine oil in there. It's a little bit low, so it's at least a quart low. We'll throw a quart of oil in it. Got water, antifreeze, so that looks good. Get some gas in there. Just want to get gas in there so it starts soaking and stuff, soaking all the gaskets and whatnot. All right, I'm gonna go put the car in neutral. Let's see what happens. What? Man, I didn't even have to try hard. And I literally, that was the first time it's cranked in 10 years. Holy crap. That is absolutely amazing. I'm freaking blown away right now. She sounds pretty good too, man. Running like a sewing machine. Very little clatter. I mean, it's just, I think that's just normal stuff. Doesn't sound out of the ordinary. Well, we know the fuel pump's not working, or the gas tank's out of gas, because we're not pumping any fuel. A little oil burning off the manifold. Her in. Man, that is freaking amazing. All right, let's see if it starts back up. I didn't even hit the throttle, I just cranked it over. Freaking awesome. All right, so you can hear a little clatter. I think it's just lifter clatter. I don't know, what do you think, guys? I'm freaking blown away. It sounds like it runs pretty good. And I'm okay with getting all that oil. It's just like really old oil that's dripped onto the exhaust and stuff. We'll let that burn off. Run out of gas. Ran out. Bowl went dry. I'm pleasantly surprised. I never thought I would say that. I guess I just expected it to kind of run like crap so bad that, you know, I would just be so over this thing, but it's actually purring just so pleasantly, you know. It just sounds good. I'm really excited to just start driving this thing. You know, we got the seats all ripped out of it and stuff. So I was kind of thinking to myself, this thing works out pretty good, runs okay. like maybe I'd pamper this car a little bit. I actually have some black carpet. The carpet in this car is just trashed. It's for my 72 Charger, which would be the same for this car. I could throw that in here, make it look pretty nice. And I got to put the seats, figure out the seats, put those back together, get those back in the car. And then I think we're ready to move this thing, you know. But looking under the hood, it's just, it looks like it got a radiator. Like I said, when I pulled the carburetor apart, the pieces inside of it tell me that the carburetor's been rebuilt. So we just put some fresh gaskets and stuff in there, and shit, man, it is purring like a kitten. You know, obviously we got some oil seepage and stuff. We'll go ahead and run the valve cover tight, you know, tighten it up a little bit. Hopefully that seals it off. I think all this stuff that's burning off has just been there, you know, it's just been there forever, dripping down or whatnot. So here's my goal. Down in Escondido, there's a car cruise called Cruisin' Grand, which is a really cool cruise to go to, and it's pretty far. So I think we get this thing running, registered. It builds some confidence with us that it's gonna be, you know, somewhat reliable and go the distance. We'll start driving it around locally, take it out around the block. Did it make that? And if it survives that, go out a mile, go out a couple miles, you know, drive it around. If it builds enough confidence that it'll make it all the way down to San Diego and back, we'll go ahead and do that. We'll shoot for that goal to get it to Escondido Cruisin' Grand. We'll cruise it. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna track the mileage on this car. So we're not going for horsepower. We're not going for car shows. We're gonna go for daily driver, maximize fuel economy, and just enjoy this car, you know. Anyway, that's the plan. That's what I'm thinking. I'm curious what you guys think. If you guys own this 1972 Plymouth Satellite, what would you do with it? What would be your game plan? I'm ecstatic. I'm actually just surprised it's running so well. That just boggles the mind. Sat 10 years, didn't move, never been started, and then boom, right here. And I know there's Movie Magic, right? There's other channels that do a will it run video and stuff, and you know, who knows? It might have took them 20 takes before they finally got the footage where the thing starts up and runs. But I'm not shitting you guys. What you saw me do there, that was the very first time I cranked it over, and it just fired instantly. I'm not shitting you. I'm not lying to you. I'm not BSing you. No movie magic here, you know. I literally took the carburetor off, cleaned it. We changed the ground cable because the one on there was for a GM attachment. Put gas in it, cranked it over, and it literally fired up. I'm not even gonna pump the gas. I'm just gonna crank it. I didn't even pump it. Just purring like a kitten. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. Burn away. Now let's see if the lights work. That one's on. 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 Looks like that light is out and that light is out. Not bad. All right, we're about to run out of gas. Oh, my can is out. Just shut it off. Got my front seat.
Yeah, I can't say no when I'm this free. Don't wanna go home or I can't sleep. Weather's so nice, only got good vibes.
Let me see if it moves.
Chillin' in paradise. Sunny day, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but I get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on my way. Sunny day, big rain. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on my way. Sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but I get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me 'cause I'm gonna be on my way. Sunny day, big rain. All the stress and doubt,
Ah, that's awesome.